We're told that the geometric mean of a set of n positive numbers is defined as the nth root of the product of those numbers. And Yasmin writes down a set of 4 numbers which have a geometric mean of 2048. So that means if we take these numbers and multiply them, a, b, c, d, because there's 4 of them, we then take the 4th root. We've been told that that is equal to 2048. And then Zach writes down a set of numbers, let's call them E, F, G, H, finds the geometric mean, and that is equal to 8. And then we're interested in what happens when we combine them all. And take the 8th root. But what is the geometric mean of all of them? So to do that, we're going to have to try and work out what A, B, C, D is, and E, F, G, H. But not, we don't want to raise 2048 to the power 4. There's a better way you can do it. And what you've got to notice here, actually, is that these are both powers of 2. 8 is 2 to the power 3, and 2048 is actually 2 to the power of 11. Now, it is worth learning that 1024 is 2 to the power 10. Then you can get this really quickly. And in fact, this 1024 is the number of bits in a megabyte. It's not quite 1,000. There's 2 different measurements, actually. Sometimes it is considered 1,000, but because of the way binary operates, it's actually 1024. So it's worth learning that as a key number. If you don't know that, then of course, you're just going to have to work your way up. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. That's 2 to the power 5. 64. These are not, just practice these. It's not too bad to get them. 256, 512, and then 1024. And if you do one more, we get our 2048, 2 to the 11. So what does that mean? It actually means that A, B, C, D is going to be this to the power 4, which is just 2 to the 44. And E, F, G, H, similarly, is going to be 2 to the 3, all to the power 4, which is 2 to the 12. Of course, I could have written this as a power quarter, but in any case, we have to raise the power 4, so I hope that makes sense. So the 8th root of this is going to be the 8th root of these 2 times together, which is going to be 2 to the power of 56. Best at this point, I think, to write it as 2 to the 56 all to the 1 over 8, which is 2 to the 56 times 1 over 8, or 56 divided by 8, which is 2 to the power of 7. Now, we're asked for the geometric mean, not just as a power, so I now have to translate this back into what actually that number is, but I've already done some work on it. So this is 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7 is 128. Okay, neat question.